This is Coco Boy.
He's crazy. I just said hello, guys, and his eyes like.
You open the camera.
I love the camera. Where is the camera? Wow.
Inglés, francés.
No.
Aceite de coco natural.
What did you learn from here?
Tú hablas francés, inglés.
But everything is a matter of money, but he's the opposite example of that, you know?
Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, amigo.
Oye, lo importante de la vida no es el dinero, pues el dinero no se...
They wanted money for the park, but it's not their property. So we parked the side there because they cannot say. But now they said to us, no, come park here for free. Let's start the walk. Coco Boy wants us to change our channel. Yeah. Why? Why they killed us?
At first they wanted us to make a vlog. Now we want to decide what will be in the vlog.
Because he wants us to stay with him. He doesn't want us to go back to Israel. He just wants us to stay with him in Jamaica.
More countries.
And travel to Mexico. And just like everyone will have their own vlog and they will speak about stuff. He wants basically to make a routine but abroad, like not in Israel.
Yeah.
That's what he wants. Exactamente. This is the... it's a long hiking.
Yeah, I think it's a long hiking. I think like we can do it with the horse.
No.
Yeah, but it's better in my foot.
Yeah, we need to do sport. You know, after Jamaica, I don't have...
Let's stop.
Today, I will be a tour guide.
Yeah.
So we are in.
Yeah.
Daniel is struggling after... Daniel came with flip-flop. Daniel, you know that it's like 10 kilometers, right?
Why? But we told you.
It's like 10 kilometers.
You didn't know. 10 kilometers.
Yeah.
10 kilo.
Something like that.
No kidding.
Yeah.
No, you did it just for the video now.
I don't know. You will,
Like 10, 20 kilos.
you will walk and you will understand. You're מחרטטת. Yeah.
This is the blue mountain of
You want?
San Dominican Republic.
Really?
Here we have the coffee. No, the cocoa.
No, Chen, it looks like Aki, but a purple one.
Cocoa. This is what you. This is cocoa.
Careful from all the poop here.
Cocoa.
Coco?
Here, cocoa.
No, this is cacao.
This is cacao.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cocoa boy.
Oh, careful. There's a lot of poop here
Look at the coffee. Yes.
from the horses.
Nearby each other.
Wow.
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 Things that you like. Chocolate and...
You know, we're going to reach to a beautiful waterfalls. I know that the way. What? I don't think so. But you know, Shai, you have to do the Blue Mountain.
Yeah.
I don't know how didn't you do that till
You
now.
have to. We didn't do it because we didn't.
Mm.
You know, we did it before.
Find it. Wait.
Yeah, we did it with Chanil. What are you, sir?
What do you want, Chen?
Try the fruit.
What?
This is the coffee fruit.
How can I know that it's not poisonous?
No, it's not poisonous. You just eat it. It's sweet.
How can I trust you?
It's sweet.
You tried it?
Yeah, I tried it many times.
Now?
No, but you can eat it. It's sweet. You will.
How can I trust you?
It's sweet. It's good.
Why you brought
coffee is
only one?
inside. The coffee is inside.
Nice. You think that the caffeine, if you're not drinking coffee but you eat that,
Yeah, it's a
You
little
will-
bit of caffeine. Yeah.
you will not have headache?
I think yeah. It's good. And then
Maybe
you
I
roast food
should-
inside. You roast food. Wow, I should.
It's interesting. If someone knows, let us know.
No, it's like bitter in the end.
They didn't say anything to us. Yeah, it's a surprise. Just say we're going to a waterfall. Nothing about hiking.
No, yesterday we said, Chanil does a vlog. I don't understand, Chanil. Bar is doing a vlog on our vlog.
I don't understand,
And we're
Chanel.
with the crew. See, we have Daniel here. We have Shai here. Otherwise, also known as Coco Boy. And we have Ayelet and Bar.
Who is Ayelet? I don't understand why you
Ayelet
on
is
me.
from the Yaman girl, you know, Yaman
speak
girl.
so
So
well.
she's
I don't understand. You
but-
are
listen. Listen.
competitive.
This is my
You're
vlog.
competitive.
My blog. This is my vlog. So today
Bar,
we're
kill
doing
him.
a chapter where we're
Bar,
going.
kill him.
We're going in the
I'm
hills.
going to kill him.
We're gonna take you on a
On a
tour
tour.
of this beautiful
Opening it.
Doing
know?
a drop doing a drop shipping.
So you see Bar, this is Bar.
Look at him.
She wants
He's competing with us.
I'm gonna introduce you to her now. This is Bar. And yeah.
Oh my God, Shy
Stay tuned.
created
I like it.
monsters.
Guys, I have a camera also. It's gonna be
Monsters!
oh, we're gonna do 3 vlogs together.
I wanted to travel with vloggers. It's terrible. Yo, I'm hot.
Daniel is quiet.
So
This is Daniel, yeah. He looks so
For one,
Jamaican.
it's for 1 second. It's just for 1 second.
Video.
1 second.
It's so hot.
He said no, like no. He doesn't even.
I feel like this is the best weather for the R because in Jamaica it's
And right now,
what's the best season in
we are on
Jamaica?
the girls
The
doing
best in
vlog
summer.
together.
What's
like
summer?
We are
July.
girls.
June,
You are on
July.
my vlog as well.
Really?
September.
But here I feel like there is no rain now.
So,
Jen, maybe all the water.
me and Daniel.
It's really difficult.
Give
Yeah, I will take it.
Daniel, you want to hold the water?
I need to take the camera up.
No?
He doesn't want.
190, I don't know.
Oh my God, it's so difficult. No one wants to carry my water. Someone wants to help. Also, it's not my water, you know.
Yeah, that's why
It's the
I
water
said.
for the team, and I'm carrying it. And I will not say I'm a girl. They are guys because I don't believe it. But you know, I'm
You can say
driving.
that you are
Me
tiny.
and Bar, we are driving. They're like behind. Me and Bar, we are carrying the water. They are like just
Okay,
walking.
let's tackle this topic.
Me and
yes?
Bar.
How often does this happen? Don't
You are
make this a
driving
thing.
from Punta
Don't make
Cana.
this a
I
thing.
thought you opened the camera and you just started speaking.
From Punta Cana till Las Terrenas, it was like 4.5 hours drive.
We're
Plus
gonna
we had
give you two
puncture.
sides of the story,
Wait,
yeah?
plus we had puncture.
So she's
so
talking
it was
about the
longer.
water.
Ew.
And she's giving her perspective, and I'm giving you the other side of
I
the
understand.
equation.
So
yeah.
we
So
drove,
she's
you know.
complaining that she's bringing the water.
You're so stupid.
Coco Boy is driving only like in the night for 3 minutes because we are drinking alcohol and he's not really drinking much. So he is driving. Daniel is afraid to drive on the right side. He just wants to take a picture. And Chenil wants sometimes, but not in the city, only like on tolls or something like that because he doesn't like the city because it's difficult to drive. So what's going on? Me and Bao, we're driving. Right?
So question: why doesn't Bar when you get down give the water to Bar?
Huh?
You're filming. You can give the water to Bar, no?
Oh, yeah, actually.
Okay.
I thought Bar is bottle also. Bar, you didn't bring one more bottle?
No, because I don't have
What?
water.
Take, now you're filming.
The body. And the,
Take
give
Bob.
me the bottle, it's okay.
Okay, she wanted the bottle. She preferred the bottle than you. Just for you to know, all of you. Look, we are walking in a poop. I don't understand what is this. They told me beautiful place, na. I don't see beauty. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. If my father will see that, he will kill me, you know. My father is a tour guide, not tour guide.
You know he will never kill you because he really loves you.
Okay, yeah. But my father, he really, like for him to go to 5-star hotels, like all inclusive.
For him, this is 5 stars.
Yeah, exactly. Like he loved, like when we went out on a trip, it was to go on a tent. And if you want to go to hotel, you have to go on a tent a night before in order like to earn the hotel. And treks with him, it's like 20 kilometers up. And it's really difficult. But we love it.
Yes.
Wow. Daniel, are you okay? You want me to carry you? 200 pounds of fun, you know, of of muscles. Yeah.
The jungle in, and right now them a chat English, them a chat Hebrew and all them thing about we are Jamaican, you see me? So
All the people say that he doesn't know patois.
Look for them mother yo. I chat this enough. But me have to take a little side track, you see me?
He's
So I let her record there, but we are
look
gonna
at
do it, you see me? We are do it.
We are
So
doing
the bar at the front there.
Everyone
We are gonna take a
understood what he
little,
said. Like, I understood.
We are gonna take a little walk.
It's chenille, but
Isn't it?
patois, it's not easy.
So right over here, so we have some banana.
Over here, so it's like there.
banana
Over there, you have bananas.
have, cocoa
I will
water
translate you.
We have Daniel there.
Deso, it's like deso in patois, it's there.
And we have a walk up on this, I know, you see me?
Deso, deso.
You know, like coconut tree there. Yo, this kind of food though.
Jamaican that I have here.
See what I got?
At the same time that I vlog.
We're gonna take you all through the trackers, you know what I'm
Zin, zin.
saying?
Me no know why you want. I can check also patois.
You see them a practice them patois.
Me no want to
Them a
check patois.
Me know patois. Me know a chat.
Alright, so
Me a go back. Me a go.
Over here, so.
Me a go to yard.
Over here, so. Banana. Over there, so. Over there, so.
Zin,
So what's up? Zin.
zin.
Zin. Yeah.
know
Yeah,
how
man.
yeah, we're going.
You know what one here. All the bushes. All
Tell me, say we are
the
going travel.
Cause the palm.
Them say we are going travel.
bushes.
I
Yo,
see place will look good, you see me?
See.
Right now.
Daniel, all
We
the
not
bushes
jungle.
here. Me no
We
know
not
what
jungle.
to do. Me no
Be a
know.
mosquito. Be a mosquito.
I wanna cry.
Emotional.
Be a mosquito, bite me up.
Me a
You see me? Right now, my foot them
Listen,
swell.
Right.
You don't know how good.
Chan's voice, it's so
Yeah, you see me,
high.
the one this.
He doesn't need microphone.
When I tell Jamaica, I'm the one mosquito bite me up and all them things.
Mosquito
So
bite.
I don't understand how I go.
If someone doesn't understand what he said, just for you to know, he's talking bullshit about the mosquitoes and the bites and I don't know what he wants. I think my patois is pretty clear.
Yeah.
His patois no. Then
I
one.
know how I go. Alright.
I'm going to die.
Me give a little help, you see me?
Miguel.
Zin, zin.
See me? You see?
Me I help my baby.
Zit, you know what I
Me
mean?
I help my baby.
Baby.
Milk.
Me wanna
Me give
help.
a little help.
Let me get little.
Baby girl.
Me
Bad
give
girl.
Me give a little help.
Look at this girl.
Girl.
It's yeah. Give a little pick me, man. What the girl you do? No, I don't really speak like this.
Yeah, he's not.
like,
He's not. He's a
it's
good
weird
boy.
one
He's a
because,
good boy, you know.
Some words,
He's a good boy.
it kind of sound offensive to me.
Offensive, like
But then
girl.
it's patois. It's like
Me little girl.
the little girl, yeah. But
Girl.
Little
like
gala.
It's
it's
offensive
kind of a bit offensive, kind of. Like,
because she's little and she's girl.
No, but yeah, but
Girl.
No, girl can't. Na. 15 shots.
16, no?
16. Why both of us said 15?
I don't know because you said it earlier and
15?
it's like good
Really?
stuck in my head.
Okay. You think we should go our residency in Jamaica after we know patois?
What do you think?
I think
your
we should.
residence.
I think we should get it. Yeah.
I feel that we are listening.
Listen, they will do a
They
test
do.
in patois. We'll know.
Yeah, I think.
I will really know.
I don't know if a lot, but I will understand a bit.
I will know a lot. Like, think about that. When you want for your best,
Yeah.
when you want for your, even the accent we know, me know what to do.
What you want?
When you want for
What
your
you
best.
want?
What you do?
What you do?
Yo.
Chenille.
On its pawn, for example. Okay?
Why, Daniel?
Why? Why?
Bigala.
Yo, my legs are shaking. I need to do sports. Oh, look at the horses. Shai loves to speak in Spanish, in English, in every language.
Hi.
Hola.
Hola.
Hi. Yo, I love horses. Looks what a crazy animal. But I don't love when they abuse them. Abuse. I don't know. I don't like it. It's not nice, you know.
16
I
shots.
prefer to walk. Look. You have to see this view. It's like
That is not behind
it's like heaven.
the fence or something.
If heaven was on earth, it would have looked like that.
Right. Also. So how is to vlog together with me?
Wow.
Hi,
With you,
Yes.
it's pretty nice, you know. Everyone.
you have today
Wow,
on the
look at
vlog.
all this poop.
This is super slippery, guys. So if you sleep here, like it's game over for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Game over. You just go in here, man. It can end
I think I'm going to
pretty
die.
bad.
לדניאל מתאים להחליק.
Yeah, all Daniel. It suits to him to fall.
to fall.
Be careful, man. When you're coming.
Why does it suit for that?
I
It's
don't know,
so-
because his balance is not
Chen!
good.
How do you know this?
Because his legs is
Oh,
really
yeah.
small.
Yeah, compared to his height.
And he has this flip flop. And he suits to him.
Eyes going on this side.
Okay.
He's taking the safe side.
Okay, good.
Smart guy. Some people are smart, some people are not. You know, some people
No.
has brains.
No, you should. Some people are smart, some people are not.
Are not.
See this flower?
Yeah.
This is a vagina flower?
No, don't take it out.
No, you need to eat it.
לא, לקטוף.
No,
flower.
it's not a vagina. No, don't eat the flower.
Basically, if you take it and you are a man.
Shy, this is good for tea, you know.
Yeah, this is how it's
Called
called.
leaf of life.
Leaf of life because it can grow on the leaf.
Yeah, you can just put it in and it grows.
I think Daniel doesn't have energy for us.
No, but we will be around him. We just
You know.
bubbling.
Yeah, last night we met someone, and he's half Jamaican apparently. And then he said to Chanel, "Wow, I guess it's really difficult for you
To be with
handle
those guys,
those
two girls.
No, that's not what he said. No.
How did
How
he say
He
it?
said they're a handful, but he didn't say it in a bad way.
Yeah. It's always not in a bad way. But everyone said it to Chanel, like you know,
Everyone says they're a but.
And Chanel doesn't
and
understand.
Chanel was like, "Why?"
No, I didn't say why. It's like it's.
He said
like
everyone say it to me, like, and I don't understand why.
because it's like it's like
They just
they're
jealous.
saying it's a lot. Like you have a lot to handle.
To deal. But then we asked Coco Boy that, and then he said, "Yeah, you're not easy to handle in the first time you see both of you. It's like really not easy." And I was like, "What?"
If you take this, you're a man.
But in the
are
end, like, even
amazing.
when we were speaking in the club, it was like the energy is so different. Like they're really happy. Like if you look at people, in general, the energy I get there, they're just sad and down and stuff. And when you walk into a room, you're really happy, like you're sunshine. So I was like, hear the sunshine coming on, and then it was like, yeah.
Oh, he called me
It's like your energy.
sunshine.
It's really
No, I love him. It's okay. He called me sunshine. I love nicknames. Baby, sunshine, flower. You know,
All of this.
easy one.
אהבה שלי, כן?
Yeah. טוב, how can we know the way?
just follow the horse.
Follow bar. What is this?
This is the Tommy and
I'll go
Tommy.
from here.
This is the house they found.
I cannot stop recording because it's so beautiful, the way.
We need to watch the battery of the camera.
I need to watch on the battery of the camera. Chanel said that I need to watch the battery. Maximum Chanel, take your phone.
Battery panic attack.
It's worst case. It's like,
Worst case scenario.
Worst case scenario.
Oh,
About myself,
I think now we are just passing here.
I'm including me.
It's not the waterfalls
I
yet.
just use me. I'm speaking about myself. Yeah, but I'm saying in general, like if you open the conversation for someone to
no, it's
to
not.
associate themselves with the.
It's not that. You obligate. You are talking this. What you are saying is good for sale. Because it's good for sale. Why? Because
Wow.
next to that, it's like,
Are you ready? We're really close to the waterfall. And it's so slippery here.
yeah. When you open your vlog.
Okay. He open his vlog.
Open your vlog.
Now we are cleaning all the mud. Best sandals ever, just for you to know. Looks like I'm doing it.
Yeah, we are talking about the sandals.
Yeah, because it's really good sandals.
Yeah, I love it.
You can travel, and they're so strong.
Yeah, they are
You
strong.
ready to see that? No. No.
Yeah, so
You ready?
beautiful.
Wow.
Yo, I want to get
So beautiful. And no one is here. No one is here. Yo.
If you are going to Mascarenas, you have to go. Okay, where we are putting our stuff? Here or there?
I feel like the human just destroyed every nature that you have. Seriously, like, why you need this in the middle of nature?
I don't understand.
Why?
It's like ruining the nature.
Seriously,
I don't know.
It's a bit bad to say that, really.
I really think
Because it's like they're making a living, yeah? It's in nature. But think about it. Your whole city was nature. You destroyed
I know
before,
but,
it's like-
but I feel like
I feel that it's not good.
Yeah, but you can't have both sides. You can't have
can.
a beautiful. Think about it. If you have, for example, a city with sidewalks and all this, you can't have that with nature. Like
no, but
it wasn't
now
like nature to begin with.
Human destroyed a lot of the nature.
I understand
Now
that.
you need to maintain everything that you have. That's
Yeah,
what
but
I
it's
feel.
like it's when you're saying it's like
You have cities.
it's a bit it's
eating
biased.
the cake.
It's biased to say this and this because think about it. Like all the cities where you're living, your house, everywhere was all nature. It was trees. It was
Yeah,
everything.
but what is the?
So
I don't understand.
now you're
your
looking
plan.
at this. It's like it's nature, but this I feel is less destroying nature than a city because this is
Yeah,
like
but
your.
I feel like
But now you have
like
city.
that.
So
Yes.
you can do that in the city. You don't need it in here. That's what I feel.
Yeah, but
this is
it's
the
like-
situation. Like you have cities, sell there all those
No,
crap.
but what if you don't have the city now? You need to pay for the city. Like if you are here, maybe you don't need to pay rent on the river.
No,
but
you
you need
have
to pay
to.
rent in why?
This a third world country, so I don't know. But in Israel, you
No,
can
in
do
Israel
that.
you cannot do that.
Yeah, it depends. But
Because
I mean,
I'm saying,
it's,
so for me,
they are
this is
maintaining in Israel. We have organization that maintain the nature,
Mm-hmm.
and they're like you're paying in order like to be in places, but they are cleaning in order that will not be a lot of trash.
but here is like
Wow.
people are doing it. They're the one who
I know, but not this. This is shop. Why do I need this? It's not
making a
even
living.
food.
is making a living. What do you mean?
I don't know. I have difficulties with this.
I guess you can always make your opinion, but it's like it's your opinion.
Yeah, of course.
You don't
it's
like
our
it.
opinion.
It's
Yeah.
you don't
This
think
is our
that it's-
vlog also.
Yeah.
Everything that we are saying in this vlog, it's our opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when you say it, it's like it's sometimes when you say when you're saying it, it can sound biased because you can always argue on your points.
Yeah,
So,
I
yeah.
agree with you, but now this is this is what
I feel like you have this amazing place and this just destroyed.
Yeah, that's what I feel.
Seriously.
All those plastic bottles and I don't know.
I don't. But this is my opinion.
Okay, I feel like you're going there.
What?
When I'm going to the
I don't know.
when I'm going to the nature, I want to be in the nature.
They left and that's it. We don't know where.
Yeah,
are
they took horses, Shai and Daniel. I
Yeah.
don't understand this lazy. Actually, it's Shai. Daniel didn't take.
It's not
But-
about laziness. It's about they
Flip
split
flop.
and we don't know them. Where are they?
Yeah. What?
Whoa.
What?
Beautiful.
What?
Yo.
Fuck?
What? Yo! They're down, I think.
Crazy.
This is the place.
Wow.
But we need to be there also. I want to be there.
Okay, so we understood now that there is one more waterfalls that cost money. Continue, but it's cheap. It's not like $1. But look. Oh my God, it's what we saw from up. From up. Look. But here you have a lot of people. The other one was better. Wow. I don't know. Perfect. What is this? Wow. Yeah. But worth it, you know. Celine is going to jump.
All right, there. So Ken is over there.
He's going to jump. Yo!
Do it, man.
Do it! fly from there. Body like that. Ow, 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 it's natural.
It
No,
is.
it's not. In the nature, that's
It's
what
take a lot of
it's doing.
steroids. A lot of
Don't be
steroids.
jealous.
This is people that are jealous and they don't understand that there are things that come
Better than
natural.
him. No. Hey, film me, please.
Feel me, please.
Okay, guys.
Yo.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. This is Coco Boy out of the St. Jamaica. Wait. Okay. Okay, guys. This is Coco Boy
Behind the
out of the
scene.
St. Jamaica. Okay, now
You
we do
did
some
it
pull-ups.
already.
I tell you what, because the gym was closed today, because it's Sunday, but we found the pull-ups. How do you reach it, bro? On the side, yeah.
You should have said to him jumping. What's the problem?
Okay, I feel like Tarzan.
He just feel tired now.
Oh!
Oh, no,
Oh!
What?
That's
Yes.
Yo!
it. Woo!
יפה, שי, יפה.
Good.
Good, good.
Coco Boy.
You know,
Another one.
you know what? Give him the energy. You guys, the camera.
Coco Boy.
Daniel, your turn. Boy, your turn.
I don't know how to do that. I will try.
Good.
I will do like this.
And that's it.
I can't move from here to here.
And last one.
But I will try, you know? I will try.
Yeah, let's try.
Wow.
I can't move
That's it.
from here to here to that.
Good video. Thanks, man. Really good video.
Chen, help her.
11.
That's it.
Chen, help her.
I can't,
help her to
I can't
do.
lift myself.
Okay.
I can't do that. I can't. You can help me, like, from here and to push me up.
Yeah.
At all.
Okay.
Woo!
This is what you meant? I thought you meant to lift your knee.
No, no. Perfect.
Thank you,
Mom.
thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you. Yeah, it's good. Ding, 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 ding. Thank you.
What's right? I become so numb.
It's that uncle. Do you want? I know how to
Really
dance,
good video.
okay?
Very
I know how
Instead
to
of
dance.
one last time, I need you at the wall.
But the lighting is...
Chenil is climbing a tree in order to bring us cacao. Cocoa. You see him?
This one is not good.
No.
I don't think. This one I know because I saw it, but then I went back for that one. See the difference?
What's
Look.
the difference?
זה נפתח ממש.
Oh,
Wow.
interesting. How is it? Hold it.
Wow.
Wow. What, it's tasty?
Mm-hmm. Very.
Really?
Just suck the thing off the seed.
I ate the seed.
Wow.
And the seed is what you use to make the...
I know, I
The
can,
dry.
it's bitter.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's a fruit? I'm shocked.
I love this taste.
I will never try
In
it.
Jamaica, I'm eating. Whenever I go, you remember the country I went to with my aunt? They have a lot of cocoa there.
Wow. I ate it.
You need to eat the,
I ate the seed.
yeah, and it's bitter, like the cacao.
Wow. Yeah, I love this taste.
Shai and Daniel are there.
Yeah, I didn't pass us.
Maybe they
Uh-huh.
they didn't took the shortcut.
Wow.
Maybe they were walking. Could be funny. What do we have here?
Looks good actually. Looks good.
Yeah?
Starting with the tiny.
Wow, what a salad.
Okay.
What is this? It's vegetarian?
Yeah.
What is it?
Plantain, I think it's zucchini.
What is?
I think it's zucchini, no?
Bean?
No, this is the bean.
This is the
This is zucchini.
Zucchini.
Enjoy. Wow.